How to fix Cash App authentication failed. Now, the steps or the process that I'm gonna be giving you right now are actually the most common and the most popular ones. So the very first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your application is updated and your internet connection is stable, of course. If that doesn't work, then try clearing the app's cache and data. To do that, all I have to do, for example, this is Cash App, all I have to do is tap and hold in it and go into the eye icon, and then just simply going into storage. And from here, just simply go into clear data and clear cache. So this process actually works on all applications, and this is the very basic troubleshooting step for you to be able to make or to start fresh on that application that you're using. Now, if you do not receive any glitches or cracks on using Cash App, all you have to do is you really make sure that all the authentication or security measures that you're entering for that application are true and correct. Again, those are the steps for you to be able to fix Cash App authentication failed.